Read code number 7, reverse integer. This is easy question. Let's get into it. Given a 32-bit signed integer, reverse digit of an integer. Let's check with example 1. Input 1 to 3, so return 3 to 1. Example 2. If there is the minus in front of it, also output also minus. And then reverse it. And then example 3. If the end with the 0, and then in this case 0 will be skipped, so skip to 1 to 1. And then let's check with the note. Assume we are dealing with an environment which could only store integers within the 32-bit signed integer range, minus 2 to the 31, comma 2 to the 31 minus 1. For the purpose of this problem, assume that your function returns when the recursive integer overflow. Okay, so how I gonna do? Okay, the first solution is maybe we able to use the string. So first the integer convert to string and then split to use it like array. So pop from the last and then put to the front or the recursive use function, and then convert string to the integer. Yeah, it works, but one of the issue is string manipulation is quite expensive. So it looks constant, but inside the process it take linear time. So when we do change and then reverse, it take n square. So if we make the better approach, we cannot convert it to string, just or reverse only the number that is string. So today I'm gonna show you implement the reverse with the string. So my approach is, first I will get last value and then %10 and then get the 3 and then input to the new value, output, it is a 3, and then I will divided this value with 10, and then this one is we can get rid of the last digit. So now it's the 12. At the time we do the get reminder of the 12 and then add it to here. At that time before that we multiply 10, the increase digit, and then put to 2, and next time increase 10 and put 1. So finally this value is 321. Does this make sense? Okay, let's check example 2. And then if there are minus, it just keep to the variable, and then finally we just attach it. And then in this case, first is 0, but it's okay because start is 0 multiplied 10 still 0, so it's okay. And then finally, after getting this number is out of boundary of integer range, we return 0. Okay, let's make the code. Okay, first we need the output is 0, and then I will make a digit and then initialize 1. And then if x is below 0, I will digit is -1, and then I will change negative x to positive. And then while I will iteration x is 0, and output is output multiply 10, increase digit, and then plus x divide 10. Then next x divided by 10. This one is the remainder, not divided. And then after this one is 0, output it has the reverse the value. So now I'll add plus or minus, and then output it, and then digit, and next to okay. I will check the boundary, and this is quite big, so I will calculate it and then put it to limit this to the 31, and then if output is smaller than minus limit or plus limit minus 1 output, and then I will return 0, and the other right return output. Okay, in this case, time complexity is if n is length of x, that means the digit of x. This is it takes the linear time with constant space because we did not use any extra data structure. Thank you.